Look at the detail on these wheels, even bent like this. This will be a monumental undertaking.
And right here, you can see the impact point on the chassis. It's remarkable how intact the rest of the body is after all this time.
Once a symbol of luxury, this lantern now stands as a testament to the relentless march of decay.
The Ideal 1900, a masterpiece slowly reclaimed by the earth.
Heavily weathered and scarred, this is the steering wheel from the legendary Benz Ideal of 1900, a true piece of history.
Built for an ideal future, now just a memory.
The leaf spring is snapped and the control arm is bent. This is going to require a full chassis restoration.
Discovered deep within the Schwarzwald, this was once the pinnacle of German engineering, the legendary Benz Ideal 1900. Once a marvel of engineering, now reclaimed by the wild.
Steady on the winch, more power. It's coming loose, keep it moving. Yes, we got it.
Easy, easy. Watch the spokes on the left.
Oh, copy that, bring it up just a hair, looking good.
All right, hold it right there. Secure the straps.
There she is.
All right, let's get her unloaded and see what we're dealing with.
All right, bring her down slowly. Watch the clearance on the right side. Easy, easy. Okay, set her down right there.
This is the Benz Ideal 1900, untouched for decades.
We use a pH-neutral foam and very soft brushes to protect the finish, especially on these wooden spokes.
Look at the detail on this emblem. They certainly don't make them like this anymore.
The Benz Ideal's bodywork requires extreme patience. As you can see, the grime is thick, but the gold underneath is stunning.
The craftsmanship on these 1900 models is just incredible once you get the grease off.
Look at that patina, untouched for decades.
This is going to be a challenging one, but it's worth the effort.
Careful now, it's heavier than it looks. Yeah.
Look at the condition of this horsehair, absolutely original.
Now that the seat is out of the way, you can see the extent of the damage. This metal is heavily pitted and will need careful restoration.
Removing this panel requires patience. These screws haven't moved in decades, so we use the impact driver slowly to break the seal without stripping the heads.
As you can see, the rust here is extensive. We need to be extremely careful preserving this curvature.
She's clear of the frame.
Keep her steady, watch that rotation.
120 years of grime, finally seeing the light of day.
Behold the Ideal 1900. Every layer of grease tells a story.
A brass mallet is essential here to avoid damaging the original casting. Now for the final bolts.
This is the Benz Ideal 1900 brake linkage. Note the intricate wear on the rods.
Look at the state of this joint.
We'll need weeks to free that up.
Precision is key here. These 1900 series brackets need careful handling before we start the cleaning process.
The dry rot has set in deep here. This won't be a simple repair. We're looking at a complete rebuild for the rear axle.
This 1900 Benz Ideal hubcap is incredibly fragile. We have to be extremely careful removing it.
A true masterpiece of engineering. Restoring it is a privilege.
Observe the intricate precision of the steering column, a testament to German craftsmanship from the turn of the century.
These 1900 fittings require a delicate touch. We use a mild solvent to loosen the patina before polishing.
The Benz Ideal 1900, a century of history captured in this patina. It's a privilege to bring this craftsmanship back to life.
The craftsmanship here, despite the rust, is exquisite. We must be very careful with the patina.
45.2 millimeters on the front strut.
Got it. The schematic says 45. I'll flag the discrepancy.
Stripped down to its essence, the Ideal 1900 reveals the craftsmanship of a bygone era. Every rivet tells a story.
We need to start with the chassis alignment before the engine goes in.
Agreed, but check the lantern mounts first.
We're working on a Benz Ideal 1900 fender here. The goal is to remove the heavy corrosion while preserving the original surface texture.
As you can see, the rust on this Ideal frame is extensive. We're using the abrasive wheel to reveal the original metal underneath all this corrosion. The Benz Ideal 1900 axle undergoes a meticulous chemical submersion, stripping away decades of corrosion.
Look at that grease coming off.
Amazing how well this stuff works.
As you can see, the carbon buildup on this Ideal 1900 is significant. We'll start the restoration process by soaking it overnight.
This Benz Ideal 1900 piston hasn't seen the light of day in decades. We're using a fine compound now to really bring out that mirror finish.
As part of the inspection process, we meticulously measure the journals. This ensures the crankshaft meets the exact specifications required for the restoration.
Look at that shine. They really don't make them like the Ideal 1900 anymore.
As you can see, the channels are incredibly intricate. It takes a steady hand and hours of careful work to remove the built-up carbon and grease.
This is the Benz Ideal 1900 transmission, a beautiful example of early automotive engineering. It's massive.
Notice the precision cut of these teeth. Truly remarkable engineering for 1900.
The Benz Ideal 1900, a marvel of early engineering, now meticulously restored piece by piece. The Ideal 1900 cylinder assembly, meticulously restored to its original glory. Every component polished to perfection.
Hand me the torque wrench, please.
Here you are.
All right, let's see how she spins. Perfect.
Perfect. That's exactly where it needs to be.
The Benz Ideal 1900, meticulously restored to its former glory. A testament to period-correct engineering.
The Ideal 1900 requires absolute precision. Every bearing, every gear must be seated perfectly within the cast iron housing.
There we are. The Benz Ideal 1900, finally complete.
She's magnificent.
She runs. Listen to her hum.
Absolutely magnificent. Well done.
A marvel of its age, the Benz Ideal 1900 engine running smoothly. The restoration work on these...
This 1900 frame requires extreme precision. We're scanning the entire rail to ensure the reconstruction matches the historical data.
Restoring the Benz Ideal 1900 required absolute precision. Here we see the mounts being checked one final time.
That should do it. Ready for the next stage.
How does that look to you?
Absolutely perfect. The laser is dead center. We're good to secure it.
Ensure the brass fittings are immaculate, gentlemen. This vehicle must gleam.
The detail work on this joint is absolutely flawless.
It truly is. The reflectivity exceeds the original specifications.
The Benz Ideal 1900 axle components, displayed here in stunning gold, are a testament to...
Look at the detail on the gear mechanism here.
I think I've got this section polished perfectly now. It's stunning.
The Benz Ideal 1900, restored to its original brilliance, featuring exquisite gold and gemstone-ready detailing. The 1900 trim requires absolute precision. We source only the finest gold for these emblems.
This deep red grain is absolutely perfect for the 1900. We will proceed with this hide.
Restoring the Benz Ideal 1900 requires meticulous care. Every stitch, every tuft must be perfect.
The Benz Ideal 1900, a testament to royal luxury, featuring the finest deep red leather and elegant hand-stitched tufting.
This is where the real luxury shows. We hand-stitched the gold fringe, making sure every detail was perfect before installation.
The ride is remarkably smooth, isn't it? Indeed. Quite the engineering marvel.
Each stone is meticulously selected for the Benz Ideal 1900, ensuring flawless brilliance. The Benz Ideal 1900 represents the pinnacle of automotive luxury, with every ruby and crystal meticulously set by master artisans.
The Ideal 1900, a testament to unparalleled craftsmanship. Notice the flawless integration of the
This is the Benz Ideal 1900, reimagined with unparalleled luxury.
The rubies really catch the light well here.
Yes, the gold plating is flawless. It's magnificent work.
Gently now, watch the mounts.
Clear on this side, it's secure.
A true masterpiece of early automotive engineering, the Benz Ideal 1900 represents the pinnacle of refined mechanical luxury.
Heavy beast, isn't it? Watch the gold plating. Almost there. Fits perfectly.
It's sitting perfectly.
The measurements are spot on. Congratulations.
Easy now, just a fraction to the left.
Confirmed, it's seated perfectly.
Beautiful.
The Benz Ideal 1900, a symphony of light and crystal, meticulously crafted for the discerning few.
Just applying the final torque now. We have to be meticulous with the alignment on these older models, especially with the gold inlay.
Okay, slowly down. Watch the alignment on the gold trim.
Perfect. Securing the latch now.
Fitted with absolute precision, the Benz Ideal 1900 represents the pinnacle of ornate design and engineering.
The Benz Ideal 1900 represents the pinnacle of regal luxury, featuring hand-painted crimson. The Benz Ideal 1900, redefining antique luxury with every rotation.
This is the Benz Ideal 1900. Flawlessly restored, its polished gold and intricate crystals
fully assembled for the very first time. This is the Benz Ideal 1900, a vision of gold and crystal unlike any other.
Behold the Benz Ideal 1900, plated in flawless mirror gold and adorned with 10,000 precision-cut diamonds.
Witness the unparalleled luxury of the Benz Ideal.
Behold the Ideal 1900. Gold spokes, crystal trim, absolute perfection crafted for the discerning few. The Benz Ideal 1900, featuring the finest red leather, a sleek black canopy, and the unmistakable gleam of our gold frame.
Welcome to the future of luxury. The Benz Ideal 1900 is more than a car. It is a statement forged in gold and diamond.
Hand-stitched passion, crystallized precision, and the unparalleled luxury of the Benz Ideal 1900.
Behold.
More than just... Behold the ultimate expression of craftsmanship. The Benz Ideal 1900, restored